Hello, this is Polish American in McLean since 1989. Actually, the services of Northern Virginia, Fairfax County, it's a disaster. As you see, we have 5 trucks going for the food, hot dogs, coffee. Nobody puts the salt on the roads. All the roads at 2 p.m. They had so much time from 5 a.m. See, all of them, they do not plow the roads. Do not plow the roads. Private companies, they are hired by banks or some big corporations, and also they do only work for this particular property without doing anything extra. All the roads, they have no salt, means tomorrow, tonight, there will be lots of accidents, you see? And they hire them per hour. And what they do, instead of plowing the snow, they go to the 7-Eleven, have a coffee, have something to eat, and nobody works. I'm even afraid to go there. I may get stuck. You see why the guy doesn't park correctly? See, another guy came middle of the road. Why the guy cannot park just correctly? Yeah. See? So it is not good. Another truck over here parked incorrectly. So this is really, back in Poland when we had the socialism, 1978, we had one of the biggest winters in the history of the world. I'm talking about really for like 1 month snow, 12 feet. Even the trains had a problem to get through. But right now, America, nobody cares about the social aspect. So the trucks are sitting here, huge trucks. I'm talking about 6-wheelers, 3-wheelers, yeah? 6 tires. He's getting gas, so he can sit here and have a coffee and get the money without working. McLean, Virginia. Today is the 25th of January 2025. If you want to call me, 571-397-9481. I just almost got stuck in front of the McLean hardware. I was trying to see if I can get some ice. I did not buy today because one of my cars got stuck on another road. Nothing works. I have to tell you, Northern Virginia, Fairfax County is completely unprepared to run any kind of snow operation because we don't get normally much snow. Right now it's 2:19 p.m. Washington DC, McLean Virginia, zip code 22101. Thank you.